definitely done events in the past where we've been a little bit last minute and things, but this time round with DTX it was great. It was our first time here, and the pre-show was great. All the setup all nice and streamlined. Been a great show so far. It's been, like I said, first time here. We weren't quite expecting, well, we didn't know what to expect, should I say, but yeah, we got quite a lot of the target audience that we wanted coming up and talking to us, lots of leads being generated, and some great opportunities to talk to the level of people that we want to talk to. We've been talking to all sorts of sectors, which is beneficial for us. We sell our software in all those different sectors, so it's great to have that variety there. And we were talking to the directors of IT and the CIOs and things like that, which was really nice. It's always about getting them following up and showing the product even more. So we're very demo heavy, product heavy when we're showing off. So being able to get their contacts and then just contact them and book demos. We've already booked in some sessions on the stand today, so talking to them over Zoom calls next week, etc. Being able to get in front of all those directors, get in front of, at the same time, everyone's looking at all the other technologies. They might not have been thinking about ITSM this year, but they can now start thinking about it. So if we're here every year, then it's definitely going to be part of our portfolio for that. Bring an F1 car, I think, is one of the best things that we did for this show. But real advice is just make sure you've got enough people around and they can talk to any step of the software, in terms of they can talk to about the different things within the different technologies, but then be ready to segue into your own software.